Wow, look at that fancy MainStays coffee maker. You can tell it's a MainStays because it doesn't even say its brand anywhere except for the bottom, which it just says Walmart. And then it says MainStays under it. I don't understand. Hamilton Beach products do the exact same thing. They're not even like labeled under their own brand. They're just owned by Walmart. But Walmart doesn't even own Hamilton Beach, which that's weird. I know they own MainStays, but whatever. I don't care anymore. Just get to the destruction because everyone's already skipping to the action or not even watching the video anymore. Get in the plug. Oh, it's already flipped on. Wow, what a safety switch. Oh, it's got its fancy mug. Gotta get this in slow motion. That probably looked amazing in slow motion, even though it definitely didn't. It's fancy, it's got the metal in it. Go onto the actual thing. On. Stupid clumsy. Wow. Shattered plastic. I wonder why I picked this thing up for free. Not the fancy whatever that thing is. This one just exploded too, just like the Toastmaster. Oh, it's getting smoky. Don't burn the carpet. Oh my gosh, it's so cheap. What? Come on, not even a spark. It just instantly trips the breaker. Oh. What's the point of plugging this stuff in if it doesn't even give us like a singular spark first? There we go. All I wanted was a spark. Gotta turn the lights back on. I want to hit the fancy rotten extension cord. Oh, this thing is disgusting. And it's hot. It goes, you can sit right there on the desk and burn that. Don't burn the royal carpet. Or the fancy schmancy carpet. Wow, some metal. You can see where the spark left. Or, ow, it's hot. It's assaulting me. I don't want to touch it, it's hot. Ugh. This thing can sit on the desk, it's disgusting. That's it for the MainStays coffee maker.